Welcome to MiniOrange. MiniOrange provides single sign-on solution for Jira, and as we know, that is the best OAuth and OpenID SSO solution available in the market. So, in this video we are going to set up Jira Single Sign-on with Okta using OpenID protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Jira dashboard, and click on the setting icon on the top right corner, and select Manage Apps option. You can search here for add-in in Atlassian Marketplace. Go to the Search tab and search OAuth SSO and press Enter. To download the plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Accept and Install to agree with MiniOrange policies and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. And after activation of the license key, click on MiniOrange OAuth OIDC SSO. Click on Add New Provider, and select Okta as an IDP. Now you are on Configuration tab. We will be covering Okta setup here. You can also go through the setup on this guide. Here you will get step-by-step instructions. So, firstly we are configuring Okta as OpenID provider. Go to the Okta login page and log in with your credentials. Now click on Applications. Create App Integration. And select OIDC OpenID Connect and Web Application, then click on Next button. Enter the application name. You will find Login Redirect URI in the plugin, which is used to tell the OAuth provider where to send the token after authentication, copied and paste it in the field. Scroll down and select Controlled Access. And click on Save. Here you can see application created successfully. Now you will find the client ID and client secrets here. Go to the Assignment tab. Click on Assign, and select Assign to People. Assign the user, fill the required information. And click on Save and go back. Click on Done. You can also assign the groups to Okta application. Here you can see the user assigned successfully. Now let's set up Jira as OpenID client. Go to Configure OAuth tab. Now enter the app name. Copy the client ID from their application, and paste it in the client ID field. Copy the client's secret in the application, and paste it. Enter the scope as OpenID to authenticate Okta, profile to read the profile data of the user, and email to access the email address of the user. Go to Application, and click on drop-down on the top right corner. Copy the domain, and paste it in the plugin. Logout endpoint is optional. And click on Save. Here you can see configurations saved successfully. Then click on Test Configuration. You can see successful test configuration here, along with name and email ID. After successful test connection, you will get to see SSO button on the Jira login page. Click on Use OAuth Login button, and you will be redirected to the Okta login page for OAuth authentication. Now enter your Okta credentials. You will be successfully logged into Jira dashboard using Okta credentials. Go to the user profile to check the user data. And you can find the user's email ID here. MiniOrange provides best single sign-on solution. Thanks for watching.